Yeah, yeah. He's doing that.
Can we roll?
Can roll?
Rolling.
Rolling.
Yeah.
Just keep him quiet.
Yeah. Rolling. Keep quiet. कभी से सबसे पहले आपको मुबारकबाद देंगे। फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हुई, फिल्म के टीजर अभी तक लोगों ने नहीं देखे, पर बस बहुत ज़्यादा है फिल्म का। क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में?
बहुत खुश है कि बस है। आई थिंक तस्वीर से जब हमने एक दो चीज़ें ट्वीट करी थी, वहीं से समझ में आ गया था कि बस बहुत होने लगा फिल्म के बारे में। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। आई थिंक इट्स सलमान खान फिल्म। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कमिंग बैक यूरी माफ में था टाइगर, तो होपफुली टाइगर से भी ज़्यादा बस होना चाहिए। और जो अभी रिएक्शन अभी मिला फैन से, आई थिंक उससे ज़्यादा ही बस होगा। इलेक्ट्रिक इनसाइड, आई थिंक दे लव द प्रोमो, और उनके लिए एक दिन एडवांस में उन्होंने देखा था। So I speak to the cameras?
Yeah.
We also expecting Salman to be there, I think.
No, Salman was never meant to be here. This is basically what happened was that ever since he came back from Kashmir, I was actually literally getting trolled and abused by the fans. कि क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे आप, क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे? So I was constantly in touch with them, and we decided to adopt like a fan first strategy for this film. So that's why I decided, let's do a contest, let's select 50 fans and give them the privilege of seeing the trailer 24 hours before anybody else sees it. So I think it's been worth it. I think they'll go and they'll create the buzz outside.
People obviously are really excited and they want to see so much more of it, and I'm looking forward to the promotions as well, everybody, of Bajrangi. Does the ongoing case kind of make you worry about how the projects are going to work out, how the schedules are going to be according to that?
Not really. I think that's something we have taken our stride. I think we're just going ahead and planning the way we would normally plan a campaign for a film. So I don't think any other extraneous factor is playing on our mind. We're just sort of happy with the film we've made. Both Salman and I are really happy and excited about the film that we've made. And once people see the teaser promo, they'll realize the context of what we're talking about. And we're just going about and just putting it out there.
Also, I think Salman has tweeted about also that you guys explored him and his fans for the case that happened. You obviously were with him. Now that he went back to shooting out there as well, how did you think, and how do you think the entire thing is going to come up when it comes to the and how do you plan to be there and
we sort of, without going into too many details, the thing is that these dates don't come up as a surprise. These are dates that are announced way in advance, and we take it into our schedule, we plan around them, and continue our work. So, nothing really sort of stopped our work. We continued and finished the schedule, in fact, before time.
When do the final
very soon. Very soon. So the teaser promos will come out, and then we'll start rolling out everything. Then the final trailer will also be coming out very soon. We'll keep announcing the dates as and when they're ready.
सारा प्रमोशन जो होगा वो ट्विटर के जरिए होगा या
नहीं, अलग-अलग जरिए होंगे, लेकिन क्योंकि हमने एक फैंस को दिमाग में रख के पूरा प्लान किया है, तो काफ़ी सोशल नेटवर्किंग का इस्तेमाल होगा इस कैंपेन में, एंड जितना हो सकता है फैंस को इन्वॉल्व करने की कोशिश होगी.
You obviously tried promoting Kashmir also. You were there and you all did this whole campaign. People appreciated that. You also tweeted saying that it was not for Bajrangi. So there was a confusion whether it's a promotion for Kashmir or for Bajrangi. How did that go by?
नहीं, एक जो press conference हुआ था, honestly that press conference was not to really promote the film. It was to just say thank you to the people and the administration of Kashmir, क्योंकि कश्मीर का जो हमारा schedule है, जो सबसे लंबा schedule था इस film का, 40 दिन का schedule था. It went off beautifully. Everybody enjoyed themselves. Salman had a blast, meeting the people. I think the support that we got from the people and the administration was outstanding, and that's why we finished in advance. We finished actually 5 days before schedule.
Well, thank you so much. Will we get to see the teaser? No?
I don't think
We'd love to
it
see it.
Probably tomorrow.
tomorrow.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
तीन लोग की मदद
राइट की तरफ देखो, राइट की तरफ देखो। ओके, वन ईयर।
कबीर भाई यहाँ पे, कबीर भाई यहाँ पे, कबीर भाई यहाँ पे, कबीर सर,
हाँ जी
क्या लाइट मार रहा है
Salman bhai, we are with you always. Love you. You are the best.
And bhai is back to break all the records.
Bhai,
All the
rock.
previous records.
Salman bhai is back to break all the records.
All time blockbuster and it's awesome. Two
Salman bhai, can't wait for Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
No one can stop Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Bye bye.
सबकी आन, सबकी शान, सबका एक
Bhaijaan. जय बजरंग बली।
नॉर्मली जो सलमान खान की फिल्म रहती है वो कमर्शियल रहती है, बट इस फिल्म में कंटेंट है। और कबीर खान फायर पे तो टेजर से तो फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लग रही है। लेट्स होप के फिल्म पूरी कंटेंट ड्राइवन हो। और सलमान खान की अब तक की सबसे बेस्ट फिल्म रहेगी। टेजर से तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि लाइक विल रॉक विद दिस फिल्म। सलमान खान के लिए कुछ भी, कितना भी बिजी हो, आना ही आना है। व्यूअर्स को लाइक अभी टेजर आया है, ट्रेलर तो बाकी है, तो सलमान खान ड्रॉप करेगा तो आप ये फिल्म देखिए ही देखिए। थैंक यू।
No one can stop Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
It's too amazing. Bhaijaan is always amazing.
break all the records, shatter every bit, all records shattering every bit. And as usual, it's a Salman Khan movie. Nobody can stop it. There's no way. It's awesome music, awesome dialogues, awesome Salman Khan, and it's a Kabir Khan and Salman Khan combo. Better than Ek Tha Tiger.
Await the box office or it can be seen.
And as you can hear, it's all Salman all the way around. Do watch the movie. Not once, twice, how many times? It has a word of mouth, and the content is awesome, so you'll not get bored. You won't get bored. Very good. Bajrangi.
भाईजान के गुड लक, हमारे गुड लक ऑलवेज भाईजान के साथ है एंड ऑलवेज रहेंगे। दुआ है
बजरंगी भाईजान, बजरंगी, अगर बजरंगी जी वहाँ पे है तो हम लोग की दुआ क्या होता है?
आपकी बार 300 पार।
एंड नो वन कैन स्टॉप सलमान भाई टू डू 300 करोड़।
इस बार पीके की रिकॉर्ड्स गए। आमिर will have to do it again.
Okay, Colleen, summer fast like me, we go to do about the greasy hair.
About greasing, you can wash your hair every day, but you have to use the right shampoo and conditioner to wash it for a daily.
Is it okay to shampoo every day and do the conditioner?